Hi, how are you today? Right now, I have 10 different kinds of money here. Let us count and please repeat after me. We have to count this first in Tagalog. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, walo, siyam, sampo. Now we're going to count it in Bicol. Saro, dua, tulo, apat, lima, anom, pito, walo, siyam, sampulo. We count from 1 to 10 in Tagalog and Bicol. How much money do I have? Please let me know. Thank you for watching my video again. Have a good day. God bless. Bye.